How to change language on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change language on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite and then click on your profile here in the bottom corner and then click the three lines in the top and here we'll find settings and then just click account and here we'll find language, click on it. And if you want to change your language, all you need to do is just select any language here like this one, and that's it. The language have been changed, and that's how to change language. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.